you the 5-finger retell. So you can retell a story by just using your hand and using each finger to tell a different part of the story. The first finger you talk about is the characters. Who are the characters in the story? Who is in the story? The next finger is the setting. Where and when did the story take place? Did it take place in the morning, in the afternoon, a long time ago? That is the setting. The conflict, uh-oh. When you say uh-oh in your head, this is the conflict or the problem in the story. The next finger are talking about the events in the story. So what happened first, next, and then? The beginning, middle, and end of the story, the events. And the last finger talks about the resolution. The resolution is solving the problem. So we say, all better. The problem is solved. These are our 5-finger retell. We're going to practice this after we read the story. Make sure you're listening for these things during the story.